Hey, welcome back to Pacific Northwest New and Now, your leader in lighting news. I'm Floyd Chapman, and with me today at the news desk is a very tired Holden Swanbeck.
4th of July was crazy yesterday, man. Why does the news have to be shot so early?
You look pretty sunburnt there, man.
Yeah, I am. But thanks for having me. I've been wondering when I was gonna get my chance at the news desk.
Feels pretty good, doesn't it?
Watch the sunburn! Enough chit chat, boy. TGS has released new architectural luminaires. The Eclipse, the Orbit Round or Square, as well as the Galaxy Round or Square are available in both pendant or surface mount options. These new architectural pennants are a great option to make a bold statement in the commercial, office, retail, and public spaces. With 90 plus CRI, a 0 to 10 volt dimming, custom RL colors, and up to 3,500 lumens, you can't go wrong.
I apologize for the interruption, but we have breaking news. Let's go live to field reporter Maryam Taylor at Ligman USA headquarters in Hillsboro, Oregon.
Thanks, Floyd. Hi, guys. I'm here with Ligman Lighting here in Hillsboro, Oregon. And here we have their Vancouver fixture. This is a high-pressure die-cast aluminum fixture. And as you can see, you can have it customized. It can be RGBW, also in tunable white. And you can have it kind of a gradient light or indirect direct in the luminaire. As you can see, Ligman has an expansive collection of outdoor products for your next outdoor project. We're excited to rep Ligman, and now back to you, Floyd.
A little bit right here.
Hey guys, we're live! Oh, thanks, Maryam. Back to our normal programming. Ever have issues with those obnoxious mandatory white ceiling sensors on your dark ceiling? Sensorworx has solved that problem by launching a ceiling sensor with not only a black cover, but also a black lens. This is available in their line voltage, low voltage, and battery powered option.
Next, we have Bobby LeCount with an update from Cooper Lighting Solutions.
Thanks, Holden. Cooper has just launched the LHBS, or the Lens Selectable High Bay. It's everything you know and love about the best-selling LHB, but with CCT and lumen selectability. The LHBS is 4 fixtures in one to cut down not only on the number of SKUs on a distributor's shelf, but to allow for easier adjustments for contractors and installers out in the field with the flick of a switch.
Thanks, Bobby. All of Cooper's new selectable products are stocked at the factory and ready to ship, which is super helpful for the inevitable last-minute schedule changes.
You know what else is helpful? Our very own Alissa Stone. Speaking of Alissa, we've got some exciting news to share. SeaTac is celebrating a decade of hard work from the one and only Alissa Stone. When asked about her impact on the company, her coworkers said, Alissa's passion for excellence combined with her desire to help makes her an MVP both as a coworker and as a friend.
Another coworker added, it's been fun watching Alissa excel through her hard work as a salesperson, but what I've enjoyed the most is seeing her evolve as a leader and her continued efforts to help and inspire her coworkers to grow and be their best. Her dedication to the company is admired by all of us.
Congratulations on 10 years, Alissa, and welcome to the Reserve Parking Spot Club. Next up is Justin Blair giving us his energy code tips and tricks.
Thanks, guys. For your energy code tip of the day, if you are designing or working at the new Washington State Energy Code 2021 update, then you need to be aware of some clarifications for parking garage lighting control. For WSCC C405.2.10, keep in mind the following. Zones of control cannot exceed 3,600 square feet. Occupancy timeout must be set at 20 minutes or less. When occupancy is not detected for that timeout period, lights may dim by at least 30%. And all lighting within 20 feet of perimeter wall openings must be able to dim by at least 50% in response to daylight. And back to you.
Next up, Alissa Stone to give us more information on a new Plenum Access fixture. Take it away, Alissa.
The MSUi series with Plenum Access by Viscor provides access above the ceiling through the fixture. So what does this mean? Well, the MSUi-Plenum Access helps prevent any damage that is caused by removing the fixture and allows for a quick turnaround for a fully operational surgical room. Easy access, less cleanup, lower cost than sealed access panels, and best of all, a clean ceiling.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in to Pacific Northwest New and Now.
From us to you, stay lit.
Wait, don't go anywhere until you hit like, subscribe, and that notification bell. I'm not allowed to leave the studio. So please, it's down there.